Have you noticed how everyone wants to become a content creator now? Seriously! It feels like every person is starting YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Social media completely changed career goals. Definitely! Years ago, people wanted traditional jobs more. Now, people dream about becoming creators and influencers. Honestly, I understand why. Because of freedom? Freedom, creativity, and the possibility of making money online. True, some creators make insane amounts of money now. And they work from anywhere. That's the craziest part. Imagine making videos while traveling the world. That lifestyle looks amazing online. But I think being a creator is harder than people realize. Definitely harder. People only see the final video, not the editing and stress behind it. Exactly! Content creation looks easy until you try it yourself. Have you ever uploaded videos online? A few times, actually. Really? What kind of content? Mostly short motivational videos and edits. Nice. Did they perform well? Some did okay, some completely failed. That's social media, honestly. Very unpredictable. One video gets 200 views, another suddenly gets 2 million. And nobody fully understands why. Algorithms feel mysterious sometimes. Definitely. What type of content would you make seriously if you had time? Probably travel and lifestyle content. That sounds interesting. I like cinematic videos with relaxing music and storytelling. Same honestly, those videos feel calming. What about you? Maybe business or AI related content. That fits you actually. Thanks. AI content is exploding online right now because technology changes every day. Exactly. People are curious about the future. Social media rewards attention more than anything now. Attention became digital currency, basically. That's actually true. Brands pay huge amounts for views and engagement, which is why influencers are so powerful now. Some creators influence millions of people daily. That responsibility sounds stressful, honestly, especially dealing with hate comments online. Internet negativity can be brutal. Definitely, not everyone can handle public attention mentally. Fame sounds exhausting sometimes, especially because social media never sleeps. Creators constantly feel pressure to upload more content. Consistency is everything online now, which becomes mentally draining eventually. Burnout is common among creators, but people rarely talk about that side. Social media usually shows only the glamorous moments. Exactly. Honestly, though, content creation also creates amazing opportunities. Definitely, people build businesses and communities online now. Some creators completely change their lives through one viral video. The internet can change someone's